Hello and welcome you all in the channel Mr.I.C. I think everyone in this world is fond of music and to listen them in the loud sound or volume is like awesome. For that you all might have used these kind of Bluetooth speakers which are good and provide good quality of sound and music. But after some time they came up with a problem with their batteries as it keeps on discharging very quickly and we are forced to plug them in the charging port and play our music, which is totally a not recommended part. In today's video, I will show you how you can overcome that. And so, let's get to our intro. If you open these Bluetooth speakers, then you will find there are many ICs on that board. One for Bluetooth, another for amp, and so on. But they don't have a IC for the battery charging. Instead, they are provided with some diodes whose output they directly feed to the battery. The circuit which you see over here is a simple representation of their charging feature. They simply connect the 5 volts input supply to a diode, and after dropping a 0.7 volts from the diode they get a 4.3 volts as output over the battery, and this battery is being charged to that 4.2 volts, and they don't have any monitoring features or indicator which will indicate the battery is full or not. And this type of charging is totally not done. So I have hacked their circuit and replaced this diode with a best charging circuit board, which is our famous TP4056 circuit board, which you can find it all over the internet. How I did it, I will show you. On our BT circuit board, which is over here, there is a female jack for charging the battery, and I have desoldered out the diode, and from positive terminal of this jack I have connected my TP4056 module, and common the ground. Since the ground is common, so I don't need any other ground, and I have connected my battery to this TP4056 battery terminal B plus and B minus, and from that there are some output terminal O plus and O minus. I have connected my positive to it, and again common the ground. This circuit will definitely work, you should try it. The same thing I have implemented on my Bluetooth speakers. As you can see, I have opened it. Now there is a module, you can see it's nothing but TP4056 only, and I have did the same thing. I have replaced the diode. Now I have opened the screws, and you can see that there is no diode, and I have soldered a wire from it to my TP4056 positive, and it will definitely work and will definitely increase the battery life of your Bluetooth speakers. You should all try this. Now a test.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And it's working, as you can see. Now the main thing is the charging port. I will show you that. So here is my 5 volt supply from the charger, and you have seen the TP4056 is over here. So and you can see that it is indicating a red light, which means it is charging. And if it turns the other color, it will be fully charged and you can unplug it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and do try this. I will highly recommend it. Thank you guys.